However, if you look at all the interviews between DJ Mwathi's girlfriend, they say that DJ Fatxo killed their brother. In fact, the girlfriend was saying that he wishes that DJ Fatxo gets a much more painful death compared to what his boyfriend went through. So that is what the investigations revealed. The file was transmitted to the ODPP just a few weeks ago, and the ODPP took it to court, and the court found there was no evidence against DJ Fatxo, and the court just acquitted. But of course, in the courts of public opinion, people are of the view that DJ Fatxo is guilty. But that is not how justice works, you guys. Justice works with evidence, and if you cannot provide evidence, everything else you're saying is rumors and hearsay, and is not admissible in a court of law. And if it's not admissible in a court of law and cannot be able to prove anybody is guilty, then that person is acquitted. That is the whole point of the judiciary, is to bring law and order, to enforce the law. And that's why in the laws of Kenya, everybody is innocent until proven guilty. Precisely, that is to mean that people cannot just come and assume things out of their emotions and out of what they feel and what they think, but they cannot really put any evidence to their words. And therefore, in such a case, the court has no option but to let that person, to acquit that person. In fact, like 2 days ago, when the investigations were completed by the DCI, DJ Fatxo actually requested and wrote to the DCI to make the findings of the investigations public, you guys. So DJ Fatxo actually knew he was innocent. Yeah, he actually knew he was innocent because he dared the DCI to set the findings of the case, to make them public. But the DCI did not do that. Precisely, I guess they found out that he had no case to answer, and therefore, even setting the findings to be public, and yet the courts of public opinion had already prosecuted, convicted, and jailed Fatxo. I remember that some of the brands that are working with him quit. Once your name is spoiled in the public, people don't even first of all care to know the truth. They just go out with the hearsays, and it's such a devastating issue because people can just put stuff, they can just accuse you of anything, and because people don't care to check the facts, they just go with anything, you guys. And it's very depressing, because once people adopt such a kind of an attitude, anybody can say anything just to prove a point and just to destroy your name, and people will believe it. And that is not how it is supposed to work. It's supposed to be evidence based, and it's supposed to have evidence, and so that your name is not even spoiled in the public, you guys. So that is what happened, and it was a very, very devastating matter. It was something of national importance and international importance, and really it has caused a lot of emotional damage, especially to the family of Jeff Mwathi, his family and friends. But apparently everything else, all the investigation revealed that Jeff Mwathi actually threw himself off the balcony and he died due to suicide. Maybe he was going through depression, maybe he was having issues in mental health, but nobody can determine that until such a time when something like this happens. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been your guy Elijah Gichuru. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Asante.